searched how to buy shares of Parke Bancorp Inc., a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PKBK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker PKBK to locate Parke Bancorp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Parke Bancorp. Check the header shows NASDAQ and the PKBK ticker to ensure it's the correct security. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a pending order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution or scheduling, your Parke Bancorp position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.